start now. Take your audio from sounding like what I'm talking now, to this. Did you see difference? To this, did you see difference? Like, this is how to sound to this. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to turn your video file into audio one, and how to make your audio quality very sharp and sound like you recorded in a studio. So let's go. The first step is to turn your video file into audio. So let's head over to our Play Store and search for MP3 video converter. Yes, are you seeing it? After I search for it, we download it. So me, I don't need to download it. I only open it because I've downloaded it before. Look at my side too. So after it has downloaded, for those that download it for the first time, after downloading it, when you open it, it is very easy to use. Yes, it's very easy to use. So there's no much explanation on it. So you pick the video file. That's one. You click on it. Then you pick the video you want to change to audio. Yes, when you pick it, you click on it. After clicking on it, automatically it makes it into audio. It might take 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then after it has changed to audio automatically, it does not stay long. I want you to know that you can use this application to change any video of your choice to audio, and it is free. So you don't have to pay for it. Next step is to improve the audio quality of your video. Yes. So we head over to our browser, any browser of your choice. But I'm making use of Chrome. Or I'm making use of the internet. But let's make use of one. I will search for podcast.adobe.com. I'll put the link in the description because I can't really pronounce it. You see it? I'll put the link in the description. When it's open, click on the first one. Yes, it takes you to their official website. Click on sign in. Just press continue with Google. Add your password. Note, it's a trusted place, so your Gmail is safe. Calm down. Are you hearing me? Your Gmail is very, very safe. When it's open, click on the side and press Enhance Speech and choose File. Yes, the Enhance Speech is the first option. Yes, same. So we click on it, then we choose File and pick Media Picker. Just look at the side though. It loads. Press Audio. That is up. You will see all image, audio, video. You press Audio. Then click on the audio we just converted from video to audio. Yes. So then it loads and it starts enhancing voice for you. I see it. It won't stay long. It all depends on your network, or depends on how long the video is. Sometimes it can take 1 minute, sometimes it can take 2 minutes. So that's what it takes. But I cannot say it take 3 minutes, take 4 minutes, take 5 minutes. No, it will not take up to that. So when it's finished loading, as you see, it's still loading. Let me jump back. When it's finished loading, click on download. Then it starts downloading. All of these things can be very fast at times. So if your network is good, it will be very, very fast. When done downloading, minimize it. Yes. And go to your file. Click on audio. Yes. Do you see what we just downloaded here? You see it. Look at the side though. Don't look at the side. They will rename it for easy access on CapCut. Yes. Just look at the side though. So when we have renamed it there, like we click on it, we press more, we shall rename it. Yes. I thought how to name a file in one of my videos. So head over to CapCut. Yes. Open the video you want to use the audio for. Mute it first. Then click on add audio. Then pick sound. Just look at my side as I'm doing. Just look at the side. Don't look at my face. Just look at the side. Then pick file folder. Pick device and search for the song. The one that we just rename. After searching, pick the song. Then you would add sound like this. Let me play my video after enhancing, and let me play my video before enhancing. So this is the video before enhancing my voice. From sounding like what I'm talking now, to this. So are you seeing it? And this is the video after I enhance my voice. Did you see difference to this? Did you see difference? Like, this is how to sound to this. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell, and Can you leave a comment if you have any question or what? See you in my next video. I am Bolu. Guys, bye bye. Can comment that.